Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a fully functional WordPress website using a single plugin. In this example, I have created a fully functional WooCommerce online store using a single plugin. This is the homepage of the website, and on the homepage, we have some products listed. At the bottom, we have scrolling text. Also, we have footer section. And if I go to shop page, you will see a fully functional shop page with product filters and listings of products. If I go to single product page, this is the single product page layout. You can customize the layout of the single product page, or you can also customize the layout of the shop page, blog page. You can customize the header section or the footer section. So this is a fully customizable website that I have created using a single plugin. The name of the plugin is Breakdance. This is one of the best WordPress website builder plugin that you can use to create any kind of website. It's not only for the WooCommerce website. You can create any kind of website using the Breakdance plugin. This plugin has free as well as premium version. The free plugin has limited elements that you can use. You can use the free plugin on unlimited website. There are 80 elements that you can use. There are some design library that you can use. You can also have basic WooCommerce integration, form builder, pop-up builder, dynamic data in the free plugin. Now this website I have created using the design library or the templates that are available in the pro version. The pricing of the pro version is only $99.99 for a single website per year. And in the pro version, you will get 145 plus elements, full design library, full WooCommerce integration, form builder, pop-up builder, dynamic data, craft with code, import and export settings, CSS class manager, and you can also use conditions for elements. And if you are a web design company or freelance website designer, then you can go for unlimited websites plan that will cost you only $199.99 per year, in which you can use this plugin on unlimited website with all these features included. If you want to start, you can start with the free plugin, or you can go with the pro version for a single website, which will cost you only $99.99. And the best part is that you will get a 60 days money back guarantee. So in this video, I'll show you what are the features of this plugin, how you can use this plugin, and how you can use the templates to create different sections of your website, how you can customize header and the footer section, how you can customize shop page, single page. In future, I'm going to create more videos on Breakdance plugin, in which I'll show you how you can create a fully functional WooCommerce website from the scratch, how you can create a business website using the Pro Breakdance plugin. So if you want to watch these videos, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever I publish a new video. So let's go to the dashboard of the website and let me show you the plugin that I'm using. Let's go to plugins, and here you can see that I'm using only the Breakdance plugin. I do not have any other plugin. This is the WooCommerce plugin that I use to create an online store. Apart from that, I do not have any other plugin installed here. In the left hand panel, you will see option Breakdance. Click on it. So we are on the dashboard of the Breakdance plugin. If you need documentation, you can go to Learn Breakdance, and here you will see some tutorials on how to use this plugin. Just scroll down and go to Settings. Beyond the settings, I have already entered the license key. I have a pro account here. Next option is Theme. Now here you will see that the theme is disabled. So this website is not using any theme. The plugin itself is acting as a theme. If you already have a theme and you want to use the header, footer section and the other layouts of the theme itself, then you can select this option, Keep Theme, and it will use your themes, header, footer and other templates. If you are designing a website from the scratch, you can simply disable theme and the Breakdance plugin will act as a theme. Next option is WooCommerce, and currently the WooCommerce styles is enabled. So the Breakdance plugin is going to create layouts for your WooCommerce shop, archives and single product. User access. Now here you will see administrator has full access, editor has no access. So from here you can manage the access of the Breakdance for different users. Go to maintenance mode. If you want, you can enable the maintenance mode. You can create a page for the maintenance mode, and that page will be shown as the maintenance mode. You can enable maintenance mode from here and select the page from here. So you need to create a page and that will be shown as maintenance mode. Next is performance. From here you can improve the performance. If you're not using Gutenberg, then you can remove the Gutenberg blocks and CSS. That is going to improve the speed of your website. You can also disable built-in WordPress JavaScript for rendering emojis. If you're not using emojis on your website, you can enable this option. Dash icons, disable the admin icons for logged out users. So these are the small settings that you can go through and you can improve the performance of your website. API keys, you can add different API keys. If you want to use a reCAPTCHA, then you can add the reCAPTCHA keys. Then we have Slack webhook, MailChimp API key. If you want to integrate with MailChimp, you can enter the API key here. So you will see different API keys that you can manage from here. Post types, where do you want to use the breakdance? So I'm going to use the breakdance on post or pages. So I can use post and pages and I can save the changes. Advanced, allow SVG upload in the WP media library. Then we have allow unfiltered HTML in all data type. Revisions, you can also limit the revisions. How many revisions do you want to show? If you limit the revisions, it is going to remove the older revisions from the database. Privacy, disable page and session cookies. You can disable it from here. Design library. Now turn this website into a design set. If you want to use this website as a design set, you can enable this, enable copy from front end. This is only for the design library, so leave it as it is. Custom code, if you want to add custom codes, you can also add custom code. For example, if you want to add Google Analytics code, you can enter the Google Analytics code in the head section or the footer section. Let's go to tools, migrate meta. If you want to migrate the meta, you can migrate it from here. Regenerate CSS cache, soft reset, total reset, reset icon sets and fallback default template to factory defaults. Then total reset, create directories, replace URL, export settings, import settings. So these are the basic settings of the Breakdance plugin. Now let's move on to the next option, that is header. Okay, now I have already created a header here. You will see the header section at the top. You will see it here. I have created a header section. Let's click on add header and I'm going to name it as demo header. I just want to show you how you can create header section. If you want to add conditions, you can also add condition. For example, if you want to use this header only for products pages, then you can select the products page and it will show this header only on that particular product page. Here I'm going to select all product archive. So this header will be shown on all product archive. Click on add header. So we have created second header here. So this is the header. If you want to edit, you can simply click on edit in Breakdance and you will see how you can create a header section. Click on the plus sign here and in the left hand panel you will see all the elements that you can add in the header section. Currently I'm using a pro version, so I can use the library also. Click on library and let's search for. Here you will see design sets are already there. You can select any design set from here. Currently it is set to 𝗟𝗞𝗘. This is one of the template that I'm using to create this website. So I have not designed this entire website from the scratch. I have used some design templates which are available. Let's click on the plus sign again and here you can search for header builder. So you can create a header from the scratch. Let's drag the header builder here. And in this header builder, you can add different sections. For example, if you want to add columns, you can add columns. Let's make it 3 columns. And from here, you can select, you can change the width of the columns. And here, let's say I want to add, or you can add heading. Simply drag it and drop it here. Just name it as fashion. Instead of using logo, I'm using text block here. Here you can add menu. I'll look for the menu, drag it and drop it here. I have already created one menu, so I can select the menu. And here I want to use button, so I can use a simple button here. All right, you can see that we have header section here. Let's add some padding here. If you want to change the background color, you can also change the background color just like this. So it is very easy to customize the header section using the Breakdance plugin. So I have not used any pre-designed template to create the header section. I just created it from the scratch. I have just added a section. Then in that I have added the header builder. I added 3 column section, and I just added text, menu and button. So if you want to customize the menu, you can simply select that item here, and from here you can customize the menu. Go to style settings. This is for the desktop. This is for the links, typography. You can change the color from here for the typography, just like this. So once done, you can simply save this option, and this header will be shown on the products page. Right, if I save it and if I go to shop page, you will see the new header section is there. So you can create multiple headers, and you can set the condition to show the header on different pages of your WordPress website. So I'm going to delete this header. Let's delete this one. Similarly, you can create footer section using the Breakdance plugin, and that will be applied to the entire website. Below that, we have global box and pop-up builder. If you want to use pop-ups, you can also create pop-ups that is included in the pro version. Let's click on add pop-up, and let's add title. Apply to everywhere. You can set this pop-up everywhere. Add condition. You can also add condition. You will see author type, search, dynamic data, custom PHP. So these are the conditions that you can use to show this pop-up. You can also add multiple conditions, and pop-up trigger is there. Click on add trigger, and for trigger we have different options: on click, page load, page scroll up. If someone clicks on the page, it will open the pop-up. If I select page load, you can see that show after 5 seconds. So if someone comes to the page after 5 seconds, it is going to show that pop-up. So this is going to be a trigger to show the pop-up. After that, you can click on add pop-up and create a pop-up using the Breakdance. So it is just like creating a page for the pop-up, and you can add the conditions there. All right, let's cancel it. Below that, we have form submission. I'll show you how the form works. And then we have design library. Now you will see some layouts are already there. Some design templates are already there, which you can use to create your website. Now, if I go to this website, you will see this is also a part of design library. This is the design library that I have used, 𝗟𝗞𝗘. Let's go to live preview. I have made some changes here. I have just changed the background color to the black instead of using this transparent. You will see it here. And I have used the custom layouts also to create the shop and the product page. So you can use the pre-designed templates to create your own website, or you can also create from the scratch. So I'm going to close this one. Now let's go to templates, and I'll show you how you can customize different sections. And I'll show you how you can create the layouts for the single product page, the shop page, and the single post page. So here you will see I have already created some templates. This is for the single product page, the shop page, single post, and post archive. If I click on add template, you will see these options are available. These three are for the WooCommerce, specific product archive, shop page, and all product archive, and single product template. Below that, we have single post that will be used to show the post. Then post archive is nothing but the blog page. Then you can also create 404 not found page and search results template. If you want to create custom template, you can create custom template also. Now, if I go to single product page, I'll show you how does this work. Let me open this one. Okay, so this is a single product page template. Let's go to the website and go to one of the pages here, one of the products here. You will see this layout is there. So from here, you can customize the layout of the single product page. For example, I have this title here. Let's click on title, and I'm going to change the color of the title. Let's go to typography and change the color. Let's make it a red color. Okay, I'm going to save it. Let's go back to the product page, refresh it, and you will see the change is there. So it will be applied to all the product pages. To create this template, I have used the single product builder here. Let me show you again. Let's go to add and search for product. Now here you will see all the different elements that you can use to create a product page. You can use product meta, product price. You will see the product price here. Then product ratings, you can also add the rating. Currently it does not have any rating, so it's not showing anything here. Here you will see product tabs, product title is there at the top. So all these elements are used in this single product page layout. Now when I'm going to create a separate video on how to create a WooCommerce website using Breakdance, I'll show you how you can create this layout for the single product page and how you can customize it. It is very simple. You simply need to drag it and drop it here. Let's say this is the product price. I can simply drag it and drop it here and it will show the product price here. Currently we already have the product price here, so it shows the same price here. You can also change the padding just like this. All right, I'm going to delete this one. Once done, you can save the changes and it will apply to all the product pages. Similarly, you can customize the shop page. Let me open the shop page here. We have this shop page layout. In the left hand panel, we have price filter, and then we have listings of all the products, and it is using 3 columns. We can change that. We can customize that one. This is the shop page layout. If I click on it, you will see 2 columns are there. In the left hand column, we have price filter, and here you will see the products. If you want to change the layout, you can simply select this shop page element, and in the left hand panel you will see the layout, product list layout. Currently it is using 3 columns. You can change it to 2 columns and it will be like this. Then we have elements on this layout. We have image, title, price, rating, sales badge. You will see the sales badge here. Excerpt. If you want to enable or disable, you can enable or disable it from here. For example, we have a price section here. If I open it, and if I do not want to show the price, I can simply disable it from here, and it will disable the price from the entire shop listings page. You can enable it. You can also customize it from here. This is the old price, 250, and 225 is the new price. You can change the settings for the old price and the current price from here. If I select old price, you will see the change in the color here. You can change it from here just like this. All right, so you will see the changes here. So all the changes can be done from this left hand panel. Again, it is very easy to customize the layout. Once done, you can save the changes and it will be applied to all the archives for the shop. You will see the change here. Let's go back. At the top, you will see structure. If I click on structure, it will show you the structure of the template that you're using. It can be template or it can be page. At the top, we have section. You can see the section. The entire section is there. If you want to customize it using structure, you can customize it from structure. Sometimes it is difficult to click on some sections. You can select structure for that one. If I select column, you will see this is the entire column, and inside the column we have 2 different columns. Here we have undo option. If you make any mistake, you can simply click on undo and it will revert the changes. This is the AI assistant, and for that you need to install Breakdance AI plugin. From here you can see how does this look on different layouts on different devices. Currently it is set to desktop. If I select tablet, this is how it is going to look on the tablet. Then we have phone portrait. This is how it will look on the phone devices. Then we have phone landscape and desktop. According to device width, it is going to change the layout of the page. So you can check that from here. Here you will see edit template. Currently we are on the shop page and all product archive. If you want to change it, you can simply go to header. It will open the header template. From there you can change the header template. Here at the top you will see global settings. You can make changes in the global settings and it will be applied throughout the website. Let's click on global settings. At the top you will see colors, and if I go to brand color, you will see different brand colors are available. Currently it is using this brand color. If you change it, it will change throughout the website. This is for the text color. You can change the text color also. It will be changed throughout the website. You will see the changes here. Currently I'm on the shop page, so let's close the shop page and I'll change it on other page. Let's open one of the pages which has the global colors. Let's go to home page and I'm going to edit the home page. Let's go to Breakdance and click on Open Home. Again, let's go to Global Settings, Colors. This is the text color. If I change the text color, you will see the changes. You will see it here. This is the text color. It will be changed throughout the website. Global settings is going to be best option to change the style settings of the common elements. This one is for the heading. You will see the changes here. If I apply the changes, you will see the changes here. Links, it will change the link color. If you have any link color, it will change the color for the links. You will see the heading color is also changed here. Or you can use the palette from here. Buttons, for the button you can change the color. This is for the primary button color. You can change the primary button background color from here. Then we have typography. From here you can change the typography of the entire website. Forms, form fields. For the forms, again you can change the style settings for the form from here. I'll show you how you can use the form. Containers, this is for the containers code. If you want to add CSS code or script, you can use it from here. This is for the other, and this is for the WooCommerce. So these are the WooCommerce global settings. This is the brand color. This is the text color, headings color, borders, and text on brand. If I change the text color, you will see the changes here. This is for the heading. You will see the changes here. So you can manage the global settings from this option here. Next to that, we have history. If you want to see the revisions of this page, you can check it from here. Preferences, these are the preferences, UI settings, custom fonts, breakpoints. You can also enable the dark mode. It will be like this. So this is the dark mode. All right, let's save the changes here. Let's close it, and let me show you which elements are available here. If I click on add, you will see all these elements are available. These are the basic elements: section, column, grid, div, heading, text, rich text. Then we have blocks, icon blocks, image box, basic list, block quote. So all these elements are available. We have site. So these are the site blocks. For example, header builder, WP menu, menu builder, search form. Under advanced, we have analytics, WP event, content toggle, fancy container. So these are the advanced blocks. Then we have dynamic, comment form, comment list, post meta, post title. Then we have forms. If you want to use form, you can also use forms. Under forms, we have all these options here. Let's select the form builder, drag it and drop it here. So this is the basic form. I can customize it. I just add some padding. Select the form, and in the left hand panel you will see all the fields which are available on this form. We have name, email, message. Click on add field and change it to phone number. Let's name it as phone. So you will see the phone number field is also added here. Click on advanced. Let's make it required. So it will be a required field. You can also add conditions. If you want to hide the label, you can also hide the label. You will see the label will be hidden here. Let's move this field above message. If you want to add another field, you can add field, and from this drop down you can select the type of field that you want to add. You can also add date, time, file upload, password, hidden, HTML, steps. So you can create multi-step contact form using this form builder. To that, we have button text, that is submit. Then we have success message. Your message has been received. If there is any error, it will show this message. Hide form on success. So once the form is filled up, it is going to hide the form. Or you can redirect after submit. So if someone fills up the form, it will redirect them to another page. Under actions, we have different actions. Currently it is set to email, store submission, and these are the other options here. So if you want to integrate with MailChimp, you can enable this option and integrate the form with MailChimp, or you can also create a pop-up. Let's go to email section here, new contact form message. From here you can change the subject line to email will be your email. So if someone fills up the form, it is going to send an email to the admin of the website, and it will send the information to that particular email address. So here you need to mention your email address where you want to receive the data. From name will be the name of the user. This is email of the user. Message will show all the fields which are available which we have added in the contact form. So it is going to send the email to the admin with all the details. So this is all about the contact form. You can easily customize the contact form, and you can add this form on any page of your website. Let's go to another page here. Let me show you how you can add pre-designed template. Let's exit to front end. So we are on the home page. Let's go to contact. And I do not have anything on the contact page. It is currently blank page. Let's go to open with Breakdance. Click on edit in Breakdance. So you will see a blank page is there. I'm going to click on plus sign, and I'm going to use the layout from the library which I'm using for this entire website. This is the design set that I'm using, and in that one we have contact, so I can use this one. At the top we have header section, but we already have the header section, so we are not going to import that one. I'm going to use this section, add to page, and it will be added to the page. Go to library again. Let's add this section also. You will see it here. So one by one you can add the sections from the pre-designed template. The contact form is also added. Let's add the map also. So once you add all these elements, you can later customize it. You can simply click on it, and here you can change the content. If you do not want this one, you can simply delete it from here. Click on this section and add your content here. Once you are done with the changes, click on save, and your contact page will be ready. Let's exit to front end, and this is now the new contact page. So you can see that it is very easy to customize the website or the pages using the pre-designed template. If you want, you can also create the pages or the template from the scratch. So in the upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how you can create a fully functional WooCommerce online store using the Breakdance plugin. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. The pricing of this plugin is also very good, $99.99 per year for a single website, and you will get 60 days money back guarantee. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.